Hello kids, open your books or PDFs on page 35, libros en la página 35. And we have a new tense, which is past continuous, un nuevo tiempo verbal, pasado continuo. When do we use the past continuous? We use the past continuous to talk about an action in progress at a specific time in the past. So the action is in progress. That means that it has a duration in the past. It's a long action. Es una acción larga que se extiende en un tiempo determinado en el pasado. It has a duration. So how do we form the past continuous? Think. It is past continuous, not present continuous. But in the present continuous, we use the ing in the verb. So it's going to be the same, va a ser lo mismo, very similar to present continuous. But it is past, so instead of using is, or are, we're going to use the past form of the verb to be, was or were. Vamos a usar el pasado del verb to be instead of using it in the present tense. So how do we form the past continuous? In the affirmative form, we are going to write the subject plus the verb to be in the past, so was or were. Remember that we use was for I, she, he, or it, and were for we, you, or they. And then we are going to add the ing to the verb. Después le vamos a agregar la ing a nuestro verbo. So, subject plus was or were, it depends on the subject, and then the main verb with ing, el verbo de nuestra oración con ing. For example, they were having supper in the dining room in front of the TV. So, this action was in progress in the past. Estaba ocurriendo en el pasado. ¿Fue una acción corta y terminó? No. It has a duration. It's a longer action than the past simple. So, they were having supper in the dining room in front of the TV. Estaban, sí, comiendo en el comedor. So, it's a longer action than the past simple. That's the main difference. Negative form. How do we form the negative form? Instead of using was or were, we're going to use wasn't or weren't. For example, they weren't having supper in the dining room in front of the TV. So, we are going to form the negative by writing the subject, then wasn't or weren't. It depends on the subject. And then we are going to add the ing to the main verb. Y por último le vamos a agregar la ing a nuestro verbo. What are you going to do? You're going to complete the activity on page 36. You're going to write was, were, wasn't, or weren't to complete these past continuous sentences. And when you finish, you're going to turn sentences 1, 2, 3, and 4 into the negative or the affirmative. Lo explico de nuevo. Van a completar estas oraciones usando was, wasn't, were o weren't, según corresponda, para completar las oraciones con pasado continuo. Verbs with ing are already written. Ya están escritos los verbos con ing. Solamente van a completar con was, were, wasn't o weren't. Una vez que terminan de completar todas estas oraciones, fíjense que las dos que tienen cruz las tienen que hacer en negativa, van a pasar al contrario la 1, 2, 3 y 4. Las primeras 4 las van a pasar a negativo o afirmativo, es decir, la 1, 2 y 3 las van a pasar a negativo porque acá están en afirmativo. Y la número 4 la van a pasar a afirmativo porque acá está en negativo.